Okay.
Hey Jack, it's Gigi reading you a book. This is Big Bird's Red Book. This book is going to be about things that are red, like, red things. To start off, I'm going to show you what the color red looks like. I've got something red right here in this bag. Something red, something red. That's funny. I know I put something red in here this morning. Big Bird's looking in his bag, but I see some red things. I see apples, a sweater. I see a red car. Red is a very, very beautiful color. I think you're gonna like it. Look at all this red stuff over here. Big Bird's missing it. Just hold on a minute. I know there's something red in here somewhere. I seem to have some birdseed in here. Birdseed isn't red. Look at this marching band. That's all red. The fire trucks are red. The apples are red. Big Bird's missing it. Hey, none of this stuff is red. I wonder what happened. I was sure I put something red in this bag. Oh my goodness, we've got the reindeer with the red and a red stoplight and a parade. I guess this is the wrong bag. Golly, I must have put all the red things in some other bag. Didn't I have another bag with me a few minutes ago? No, wait a minute. Maybe that was yesterday. Say, I'm really sorry. I'm afraid this book hasn't been as interesting as I had hoped. There's a red rose florist and red birds in the sky. Whoop. Squash! Oh my gosh. Big Bird's getting hit with red tomatoes. That's funny. That bag was full of tomatoes. I wonder why anyone would leave a bag full of tomatoes on this bench. Big Bird is very silly. The end.